Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to unzip files on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Right, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store on your phone. And then from here, type in Unzip, like so. And then scroll down. And pretty much any WinZip or zip extractor will work. So I'm just going to click on the top one here, WinZip. Click on install and give that a few moments to download and install. Once that is done, click on open. Alright, once you've clicked on open, you want to find that zip file or RAR file. So in my case, I need to click into internal storage. Click on to documents and then click on to photos.zip, and then from here you can view the image directly by clicking on it, or you can move it to a certain file, copy, or click on to more, open in. But if we want to move it, click on the three dots and then click on unzip to, and then click on my files and then click on unzip, and there you go, success. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to unzip files on your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.